Hey guys, so you all liked my last video where I opened these mini fashion balls. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mini fashions. And so which one? How about this one behind Cherry Baby? So this one kind of sounds like there's something in there, you know? So let's see. I'm really excited because we need some more posters. So I already know what's already in here. Ooh, I don't have this one. Yes. Heck yeah. We don't have this one, Barbie. Chanel, baby. How do you say Chanel? Here we go. So which one did we get? Feels like the makeup palette. Oh, I got the makeup palette. So cute. And a little compact, a tiny brush. Ooh, a cute purse too. So let's get this trash over here. Compact again, it has little makeup in there. You can like open it up. Oh, I just broke it. Let's open this one over here. No. Let's open a loud one. This one. Okay. Let's see which one's from Barbie. So it feels like we got the same one. How does that happen? That's crazy. How did that happen? And then inside here, it feels like we got the same one again. Okay. Please help me get the Chihuahua. Please. 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 Come on. Okay. Again with the pink bag. No! Oh my god. We had 3 of these dang pink bags. No. Pink bag again. Pink bag again. Okay. Well done. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I picked out all pink bags. I swear, I thought. Again. Oh no. This one's different. This one's different. Ooh, I got the rare one. Nice. So we're just gonna open all of these today. Okay, I think I got the green one. Yeah. Oh my god, look at it. Ooh, cool. That's the one I wanted too. Sounds really cool. It's just like a faux leopard print, right? Yeah. There are some cool ones. Ooh, wait, look it. I was checking out these other ones, and I was feeling the inside of this one. And woohoo! I think I got a puppy! Yay! Heck yeah! Yeah! So cute. I can go with his other little kitty friend. You see? Woohoo! I don't hate these pink bags, honestly. They're actually really cute, so I'm kind of glad I got all of them. Yeah. Okay, I'm really happy I got that dog. All I really wanted was a dog. Yay, so cute. Okay, and then wait. One of the bags was different. It had this little Chanel inspired perfume. I don't know if it's rare or what, but I haven't seen this one yet. It's so cute. It's like a golden resin and it has like this gold top bow. So cute. I think this one goes with this one. I'm pretty sure. And then these came in that one too. It has a little gold pink lipstick. So cute. and a little tiny pink wallet. Or 3 pink purses. So this is everything we got. We got 2 compacts and 3 brushes. Another makeup compact, 2 makeup compacts and a lipstick, a perfume, sunglasses. Well, yeah, I'm really happy with what I got here, and yeah, even though I got a couple of these copies, I don't mind. They're cute. I really like this one, and this gold one's really special. And since I got the puppy and a perfume that I haven't had before, and 2 other bags, it was worth it. Yeah, I might even try this again if you guys like this video enough. And if this video gets like 10 more likes, then I'll get more. Okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye. Click on my other video and watch my first haul if you haven't seen it yet.